there's one. What is it? Oh, there we go. Nice. That's a nice fish. All right. It's a good one. He slammed that. Oh, you fucker. Come on, open that fucking bail, cocksucker. God damn, I don't like to swear. But fuck. Right? Alright. So, I'd like to get over here, but okay. This might work. Okay. This will work. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Wow. It's a good fish. And he's out. Okay. Alright. Next thing I wanted to do is this. Come on. Okay. Okay. It is. Do this. Oh, don't do that. You won't get a measure. What are they? 2.78. And he is 16. And so, and the net weighs 2.78.